Thank you very much for that kind introduction. Terima kasih. First of all, terima kasih to all of you for being here. Thank you very much to Universitas Pertamina and to the Ministry of Industry for organizing this event, this event. And well, as already said in the introduction, we are very honored to be in. You're part of the great initiative, the Global Green Chem Innovation and Network Program. And as we already heard, we are doing a big tour to different countries, and we're very happy to be here to share with you. Great country. It's really big honor to be here with all of you. And also, it's fantastic to see so many students. I think today, tomorrow, and the day after are going to be a great venue for you to learn something about sustainability, about green chemistry, about new technologies. So I hope we have many different backgrounds here, and it's going to be really good for you to learn about new trends and also about how to maybe build up a business, how to get motivated in advancing sustainability and using green chemistry for that. It's not that again. Oh, okay, good. I was over there. Okay, let me start. I'm just going to do an introduction here. So as we already said, I'm a representative from Yale University, from the Center of Green Chemistry and Green Engineering at Yale, and we are lucky enough to be a part of this program that is financed by Jeff. And of course, we're very happy to be financed by Jeff and also supported by UNIDO. Put this program together, and it's really a great honor to be a part of this. We at Yale, some of you might know the center. For those of you who don't know the center, we're the Center for Green Engineering. That we are in this moment operating this program. And what we do apart from that is actually, so we of course work in science. We do research in the center. We also work on implementing green chemistry. There are a couple of companies that have been born out of the Center for Green Chemistry. And of course, we also do awareness raising events like this one. And we also do teaching at Yale University. This, of course, teaching university. And this program, as already mentioned, is an initiative between Jeff, UNIDO, and Yale University with the support of many international partners. And the goal is really to establish green chemistry as a tool for sustainable development in the future. And what we're doing, or how we're doing, it's actually by developing a green chemistry network that some of you might already know. I will show a little bit later what that is all about. And use this green chemistry network to amplify green chemistry knowledge in cities around the world. This kind of event, also in some of the events that you have already organized previously, using green chemistry knowledge to advance the application of it. We're also supporting innovation and inventions from industry. And the Global Accelerator Program is actually a great tool to do so. We will hear much more about the Accelerator Program by Matthew Maroney, who will talk later this week. So that's a fantastic opportunity for you to get creative, to use your entrepreneurial spirit, and set up a company and use green chemistry to make real impact. And then the third component of the project is actually the utilization of green chemistry, reduce the emissions or utilization of persistent organic. We'll see a bit more about specialties or special threats posed by persistent organic later today and also tomorrow by the course, of course. And this is really the sort of implementation of green chemistry within industry. So we are very lucky to have 6 international partners, Indonesia, of course, being one of them. We just came from Jordan, actually, from the Middle East. Fantastic. So we did an event in Serbia. We also have been in Uganda in August. And actually, to conclude, we then on to November. Our colleague from Ukraine, we virtually keep their situation there, but those 6 countries are that are participating in this fantastic program, and it's really great to be interacting with all of them. So here it's really great in Indonesia, but Well, let me introduce quickly today's agenda and this week's agenda. So as you know, we want to spread knowledge about green chemistry, but also about business and innovation. And to do that, we are great speakers and very, very, very lucky that Audrey Post can be here with us today. Some of you might know her. For those of you who don't know her, she is a professor of chemistry at Yale University. Well, and well, she specialized in green chemistry. People her research see that green chemistry also she does fantastic. And well, she holds a PhD from École Polytechnique in France, and she also um, hold closer. Okay, great, fantastic. Can do that. Wow, that's loud. And of course, she did a postdoc at Yale, and that's how we are actually pretty close to her as Center for Green Chemistry and Green Engineering. We have done many things together. She also helped out on the previous edition of this trained the facilitators program that brought us to many other countries in 2018 and 2019. So it's fantastic to be here with her. And well, her research, she's focused on not only on catalysis, but also on mechanochemistry, new materials. She really does a great deal of very different research. You can see that she also received numerous awards, one of them being the Canadian Chemistry and Chemical Engineering Award for Green Chemistry in 2021. She will tell us much more about her research and herself also later today. Another speaker that we are very happy to have here today with us, who will speak later this week about business, is Matthew Baroni. So Matt is an environmental chemist by training, and he also received a degree in environmental management at Yale University, got involved in this program, and it's very important also in the writing of the proposal. So he has a lot of knowledge about the specifics of this program, of course. He's a person that is really dedicated to entrepreneurship. So he's a founder of multiple companies. One of them, Raise Green, which is a very interesting company in the United States. So he's really interested in everything that has to do with entrepreneurship. And the company is actually a crowdfunding company platform for impact investment. He also was a lecturer at Yale University. Right now, he's working at Metabolic, the Netherlands, as the head of sustainable finance there. So we're very happy that Matt's here with us to talk about entrepreneurship, green chemistry, the use of green chemistry in entrepreneurship and innovation later. Just to quickly show you the agenda, I'm not going to run through it actually a little bit, but today we are using the day to set up the stage and talk a little bit about basics of green chemistry, why it is important, also the basics of sustainability, how they both interlink. Tomorrow we are going to go into a bit more specifics of green chemistry. Those of you who might know the 12 principles, how those 12 principles can actually be used, what they mean, and we're also diving a bit more deep into some of the details. And we're also going to show you how green chemistry is actually applied in the real world in companies that are actually using green chemistry in their business models. And tomorrow we'll conclude the day with a fascinating lecture about biomimicry. You know, what nature does green chemistry in a very special, and you'll see why. Third day will actually be very interactive. We're going to talk about the importance of regulations and policy frameworks to sort of bring green chemistry to the world. And we're also going to see some lectures from Indonesia about how green chemistry is actually applied here. Great for us to see. We're always interested in seeing how we can interact with you. And then actually on Wednesday, the afternoon, we are going to use that for a kind of workshop where all of you actually use your acquired knowledge to develop some ideas. It's usually a fantastic opportunity to really interact and also see how people get creative in a short amount of time. Then day 4 will be dedicated to seeing how green chemistry business can actually be linked together and why it's so important and why this program is so important, the accelerator program that will come out of it over the next years. And Matt will talk about that. And then the fifth day, we're actually going to talk more about the details of the accelerator program that's in the next years, 25, 26, and 7. So it's really going to be a great agenda. And we're going to learn a lot about all the trajectory of basics of chemistry tools, complete application and use. All right. What I wanted to do now is to get to know each other. So you already have heard about us and about some of the speakers. Would it be maybe appropriate that we can give around a microphone to the tables and have one or two sentences about each of you so that we can know who's in the room, what your backgrounds are?
Okay, so would anyone like to introduce themselves, their background, and why did you decide to join this event? Anyone? Or maybe I should pick. Or would you like to pick?
Or maybe
Yes?
you can
From
just go
you're from
to
the table. Yes, sure. Sir? Oh, okay. Yes.
Okay, hello, Lars. Maybe we have already met in online session. So my name is Noni. Yeah. I'm the member of the INP Indonesia. So yeah, actually, my background is chemical engineering. I got my PhD from Heist. And my research is related with the nanoparticle, especially quantum dots. It will be very interesting to learn about the green synthesis of the nanoparticles.
Definitely we will see something about new materials in all these talks later
Right.
today and also
I asked my students to enter to this training because
That's
I
great.
teach them about the nanotechnology.
That's great. Welcome. Good.
Thank you.
Good on you. Okay, we will continue. Another one?
Oh, tidak. Bapak?
Okay.
Don't be shy.
Yes, everyone's shy. Everyone have to introduce themselves. Okay, from this table, maybe anyone would like to introduce themselves? Boleh, Bapak, Ibu, perkenalkan diri. Biasanya kalau ditunjuk, nah, nggak begini ya. Boleh Ibu memperkenalkan diri? Ya.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Diana, and I come from Cikarap, Bogor, paint manufacturer, and I'm a step in laboratory at my paint manufacturer. Thank you very much.
Dan apa mungkin tujuannya yang ingin didapatkan setelah mengikuti program ini?
Okay, I think the goal is we can create some product, a new product, with sustainable category product. Thank you.
So from the paint industry. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, another one? Yes. Yeah, well, oh, okay. Okay, maybe from this is all my colleagues from Universitas Pertamina. Anyone would like to introduce themselves? Ibu Nila, ayo Bu Nila. Boleh. Bapak memperkenalkan diri. Oke, kita lanjut yang di sini. Boleh.
Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Deva from Tripatra Engineering, and our company is actually an EPC, oil and gas EPC contractor. But lately we have been want to differentiate ourselves and from oil and gas industry and into a green chemical and green energy industry. So our first project is actually we want to build a sustainable aviation fuel here in Indonesia. And other than that, we are also interested in biomass energy and other biochemicals. So we want to decarbonize the chemical industry, and our interest in this workshop is to learn more about what kind of chemical that is suitable to be established here in Indonesia, because Indonesia has a different industry compared to other countries. For example, the palm oil and other bio thing here in Indonesia. So that is what we are interested in. If you have any idea, then it's good to know. Yeah.
What would you say is the most common biomass then? you would like to start valorize? Is it residue from the PowerPoint industry?
Yes, correct. One thing is EFP, maybe it's hard to polarize because a lot of impurities. So that's what we're interested in.
Thank you. Yeah, that's good. Right.
Thank you very much. Yeah, from Deva is from Tripatra. Tripatra is an EPC, engineering, procurement, and construction in oil and gas. So they're trying to make a shift in the industry. Yeah, as Pak Deva also said before. So finding a substitute for aviation fuel. Okay, another one? Any other participant? Silakan, Bapak Ibu. Monggo. Ya, Ibu boleh
Go ahead.
silakan. Udah, belum.
Kenalkan, saya Priska Nintian dari PT Lautan Asuka Chemical. Untuk saya tertarik dari perusahaan juga karena saya dari perusahaan juga kan mau ada perubahan dari misalkan yang pemakaian batu bara ataupun solar itu akan berubah menjadi boiler gas. Itu saya mengapa ngikutin training ini, saya ingin belajar juga untuk itu, untuk dari perusahaan. Selain itu, saya juga secara pribadi, saya masih mau belajar karena saya sedang mengikuti S2 terkait lingkungannya. Jadi sangat sesuai gitu untuk saya mencari ilmu lagi.
Dari perusahaannya sendiri bergerak di bidang tadi
Pabrik industri kimia.
pabrik industri
Ya,
kimia. I see. Okay, baik. Terima kasih banyak, Ibu Priska. Okay, so I will. Okay, so maybe I'd like to interpret. I'm sorry if I have a misinterpretation bit because my background is not in chemistry. Definitely, I'm in geophysics, so but I'll try my best. So Ibu Priska is currently from a company that in producing a blowing agents. If I'm okay. Oh, would you like to say it again? Because I cannot pronounce it.
Produk glowing agent itu produknya azodicarbonamide.
Pengembang. Okay, baik. Okay, so and she is currently also conducting her research and taking master's degree, right? Yeah. So this is also a forum for her. Try to give inputs for her company and also to conduct her research for her master's degree. Yes.
Oh, great. Oh, and by the way, all the slides that you're going to see over the next days, we're going to share them with you. So those of you who are involved in teaching, see those materials, implement them in your own teaching. So don't think that we are not going to share
Yes.
everything that we're going to share.
Yes. Collaborative effort, right? Lars? Yes. Okay. And continue. Another one, maybe? Silakan, Ibu. Yeah.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm Liga from Ministry of Industry. Still one team with Mrs. Vivi. And we are with our colleges and Taka. They are really want to know also to learn the green chemistry. And all of us attended the previous training. So we think that we should continue the training in this level. And maybe I'm in charge on the policy, so I'm eager to know policy in this green chemistry, and also we should follow the convention on chemicals that really changing this every years. The list always increasing, and that's really impact to our industry and economy. Thank you so much, Mr. Lars.
Thank you.
Okay,
So
so
that's
thank you
very
very much.
important point that you're making there because the lists are getting longer. But with good planning, I think we can think ahead and make it easier for industries to react and what kind of products reduce their shipping. We not run into problems.
Okay.
Something else?
Yes. Anybody else would like to introduce maybe their
Our
background?
students.
Some of the students, yes. Any last year degree conducting research in green chemistry, maybe? Anyone?
Also just pick one.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, good morning, Lars. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Nasrul Ali. I'm from chemistry class, student in chemistry, and I'm in a great interest for green chemistry, of course. That's why I'm here. And fortunately, my teachers let me to join the class, even if there's a schedule for class today. So thank you very much for Bu Raisa.
If you need a paper to sign, we can do that.
Maybe.
Is there any homework after this session? Like you have to make a summary usually.
I hope not.
Oh, not. Hope not, Imuraisa.
Okay, I think that's it because yeah, I'm not that actually not batch 2022. In third years.
Year. Okay, he's in his third year of bachelor degree. So one more year, and then you're going to conduct final thesis, and
Yes.
maybe you can take brain chemistry, right?
I hope.
Yes.
That's great. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you
All
very
our
much.
support.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
very
you so much.
Yes. Okay. Maybe another student. Yes. Go ahead. This from electric. My student from electrical engineering. Yes. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is Darius Wigara. I come from electronical engineering. Uh, Before I give my purpose here, I want to appreciation with Yale University because I have big dream at Yale University to continue my study, and I always pray with my God every day. Uh, I'm here because I want to learn with the net zero emission carbon and to recycle with the plastic because I want to like a superhero to save the world because I think Indonesia need to superheroes to make a renewable of energy become to plastic because we know no I mean I see in the Indonesian so very many frost so I want to need to save the planet thing. Thank you, sir.
Thanks. We need more superheroes.
Yes. Yes. So it starts with a good initiative. Terima kasih. Okay. I think that's all. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, do you want another one from the
Just
students?
somebody else.
Yeah. Oh, one more from the industry
If
or
what
from the
if
students?
we
Yes.
don't have anything else.
Yes. Ah, okay. One more.
Good morning. My name is Kurnia. I'm from Ministry of Environmental and Forestry. I'm here because send my boss. But even though I here because of order, I hope I can learn all the materials of this interesting workshop. Thank you.
Thank
Very
you so
good,
much.
yes.
I hope you will be convinced that it's not only an assignment, your boss, but it's also really fun.
She will also have homework from her boss after this, I think. Yes.
Matt, did you want to say? All right. Well, thanks so much. I think it's a great mix. Different backgrounds. We hope that we can help you find things that you need. Um, right. And I think we're going to see that that engineering or other disciplines, engineering and green chemistry actually go together. We're always discussing how the investment will look green, green. That's just another word for many things that are very related to green chemistry. So I'm pretty sure that over the next days, you're going to see how green chemistry can actually interlink so many different other disciplines. And well, I would like to invite you. So today we are going to talk a lot about sustainability in green chemistry. So I would like to invite you to think about what sustainability means to you at this moment. Maybe write it down. Then you can see either at today and next days that change your definition that you have on sustainability in this moment. Maybe not the right one, or it's different, or how it will evolve next week. I'm really hoping to be able to show you what sustainability is all about actually today. And I also would like to invite you to do the same for green chemistry. What is green chemistry for you this moment? Maybe write down a sentence. Then you can always approach us for the next day and say, hey, I thought green chemistry is this, but I learned that green is something else. And your perception of might change over the next few days. I think that's going to be a really fun exercise. And I would also like to invite you to write down two of your expectations. We already have heard some humble expectations to become a superhero, but maybe you have something more that you would like to take out of this 5-day workshop. So fantastic. I'm not going to take much more time of you, but I also wanted to invite you to actually check out 2 resources. Yale University is actually setting up a certificate program on green chemistry and sustainability. And it's a certificate program that is actually tailored to people from industry, but also to other people interested in learning green chemistry, getting the certificate. And the QR code here and get out of the way if you're interested. There's some more information there. So this is a certificate program that's going to launch next year. So if you're interested in learning some more detailed concepts and how actually green chemistry is also linked with other concepts in science, this is actually going to be a pretty good opportunity maybe to learn more. And what I also would like to do is I would like to reiterate the network that's actually on one of the Global Green Innovation and Network Program, which is the new website that we just launched in June, chemistryforsustainability.org. And I would invite you to visit it, become a member, especially interesting students, because there are a lot of resources to learn about basics of green chemistry. And also there's actually a network portion where you can start interacting with other people. You find somebody from another country or from your country to reach out to start networking. That's one functionality that is actually on the site. There are also a lot of resources around policy. There are a lot of resources about companies that are actually doing green chemistry. You can identify companies from very different sectors. You can learn from them, reach out to them. If you're industry actor yourself, maybe you can find out some ways to link and interact with those companies. And well, I will not take much more time. Here are my contact details for those of you who shared their contact cards. Please reach out to the email address here if you need more details. There are also new resources from Center for Green Chemistry and Green Engineering at Yale that you can visit. Our social media accounts, and Instagram account also might be students who are highlighting companies that are doing green chemistry, so you can learn about who they are, what they do, what their business is. I think that's really interesting for people who want to learn about green chemistry. And yeah, I will not take more of your time with a very interesting agenda ahead today and over the next days. So let me say once again, to all of you, welcome. It's an honor to be here with you. And yeah, thanks. I'm really looking forward to discussion with my everything.
Thank you, Lars. Okay, so maybe we would like to run an interactive session. And also, I believe that there are some questions from Zoom. Is that correct? From the team? Yes, there are some questions also already available at Zoom. And maybe, again, I would like to highlight the audience and also the participant. Lars also said, like, what is your understanding of sustainability? And what do you know about green chemistry? And lastly, what is your expected outcomes after receiving the training through these next 5 days? Maybe you can write it up. Do you want us to submit it? First task of the training?
That would be
Oh,
great.
that would be
We
great.
can
Okay,
submit
so
that today and we'll read it at the end of the day.
yes, go ahead. So you can write again the 3 questions: sustainability, what you know about green chemistry, and lastly about what is your expected outcome after attending the training. Okay. Okay. The team are going to show some questions. Yes, for you. So maybe besides writing it down, maybe some of you can say what do you understand about sustainability? Because I know in our university we have we have a course called Sustainable Development. Yeah, so it's based on SDG. I'm one of the tutors also for that course. I believe some of the students have taken the course, right? Right? Sustainability, yeah. Pembangunan berkelanjutan, 2 credit course, right? So it's a compulsory. So again, usually the students from the 3rd year, they take the course. So they already have the fundamental basic concept of each of their background, and then how they can merge together, work together, and reach the SDG goals. So yeah, so we have several posters and projects that's conducted by the students. Okay.
Who's taking that course here? Raise your hand.
Yang sudah ngambil pembangunan berkelanjutan, ya itu saya ingat di kelas ya.
Three.
Mana lagi? Yang mengambil? Nah, kalau sudah ngambil, pertanyaan berikutnya, what do you understand about sustainability? Nah, kata Bu Paramita, ayo. What do you understand about sustainability? Nah, sama dari electrical ya? Ya, benar.
Before I talk, let me introduce myself. My name is Ph.D. and I'm from electrical engineering. Sustainability is one of a kind that it's kind of hard to talk in English. Jadi sustainability itu adalah sistem yang untuk teknologi itu adalah teknologi yang berkelanjutan yang nantinya itu akan terus berlanjut sampai ke depannya dan juga apa sih namanya yang mempunyai jangka waktu itu dia misal untuk teknologi atau energi itu dia yang berregenerasi itu dalam jangka waktu manusia. Jadi itu adalah sustainability menurut saya. Thank you.
Terima kasih. Okay, so Fadel is from electrical engineer right now, the 3rd year, yeah? Yeah, you're in your 3rd year. So he says sustainability is about practices that sustains for a long life. So not only for the years of a human, but after. So continuing, yeah, from our lifetime and also for the people that comes after us, they still can find, like for example, for energy, say they can still have resource of energy for the next generations. That's what he said. Okay, so he passed the class, right? Yes.
Sounds good.
Yes. Okay.
That's good to me.
Okay, I did do well. Okay, next, other students or other members, maybe from the forum, from the industry. What is sustainability, and maybe have you practiced it in your industry? Is there any?
Or green chemistry.
Yeah,
too.
or green chemistry also. Ada? Boleh? Dari Bapak Ibu juga boleh. Apa yang sudah dilakukan terkait green chemistry and sustainability di dalam instansinya masing-masing. Boleh? Ada? Yang raise hand? Yes, boleh Bapak perkenalkan diri dan sampaikan.
Okay, let me introduce my name. My name is Ruli from Goches Customer Product Indonesia. I will work with bahasa. Oke, menurut saya untuk sustainability ini adalah keberlanjutan ya, gitu. Apa yang kita lakukan dalam industri kita, itu contohnya untuk forklift yang dulunya kita pakai solar, kita sampai listrik seperti itu. Nah, yang untuk boiler sendiri juga, yang dulunya kita pakai solar juga sekarang kita pakai gas. Gitu. Memang ada penurunan emisi gas buang. Jadi yang mana sustainability itu untuk berkelanjutan kedepannya sih gitu. Nah, juga industri kita juga ikut namanya Propernas. Jadi memang untuk gas rumah kaca itu sendiri itu memang dibatasi seminim mungkin seperti itu. Terima kasih.
Sudah menggantikan sumber energinya juga dan juga mengikuti Propernas itu ya?
Iya, karena memang kita berganti ke yang ramah lingkungan.
Oh, okay, so I'd like to help translate. So his industry is currently like using forklifts and also boilers for the power plants. Yeah, so substituting from solar to electricity. So that is part of the ways from his company. Yeah, transitioning. So substituting those fossil fuels to electricity. Even though in Indonesia our electricity, as we know, is still in fossil, but also we are having a goal for transitioning, especially for the energy sector. But that is what his company that he's working on is currently transitioning to that.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, maybe one more. All good, everyone? Semua paham? Mohon maaf ya, subtitle-nya memang nggak langsung berjalan, jadi saya bantu kalau ada yang kurang jelas ya, teman-teman. Oke, mungkin sudah ya pertanyaannya ya dari Zoom juga tidak jadi. Oke, so Lars, so maybe we can wrap the first session and then we will continue a 15-minute break if that's correct. Yes, 15-minute break, and everyone can stay seated. But if you want to take more drinks, you can. The organization committee have already provided at the back, and the food is also provided. Yeah, and then we will start again at 10:45. Is that right? Yes. Okay. Yes, we will start again at 10:45. Thank you, Lars. Thank you, everyone. Give a round of applause for Lars.